Hey guys, welcome back to Gist with Dami. If this is your first time on this channel, thank you for stopping by. And please do well to subscribe. I am begging you to subscribe. Please, it costs you nothing. Actually, it is absolutely free to subscribe. And don't only subscribe, please participate. Put your thoughts in the comment section. Reach out to me if there's anything you want me to talk about, okay? On this channel, we do lifestyle. We do real life talk, experiences, anything you want me to talk about. If there's any discussion you want me to bring up on this channel, I do it for you because I'm here for you. All right. And we do training videos like today's video. It's all about cooking Zobo drink. If you don't know anything about Zobo drink, today you're gonna see it firsthand. And if you've been buying your own Zobo drink all the while, now is the time to start making yours. So let's get into it. Thank you for watching. So I've set the heat on medium. So the heat right now it's on medium, and throw in the pineapples. I cut them in bits. I mean, it's a little bit chunky. It could be one dropped. Okay, that's fine. I have enough. So it could be smaller and it could be bigger, but I prefer it to be small. That helps the flavor to come out and all the nutrients that I need from the pineapple to go into the water, because at the end of the day I'm gonna take out the pineapple. It's already washed. It's washed before I cut it. In the picture that is attached to this video, that have the ingredient that I used today, you see that I used 2 bags of the sorrel leaves. That's the Zobo leaf. I'm just gonna go ahead now and drop in the cucumber. Okay, is it cucumber? How do you pronounce it? My son says it's cucumber. I think, yeah, I think I get it. Cucumber. I can't even remember how he told me. Anyways, well, if you have been pronouncing it wrongly, please go and learn it, okay? Wahala day. Now, you might be wondering, like, what is this spice? Why am I using this spice? Okay, so some of you know that we use this spice for pepper soup. If you're Nigerian, you know that we use this for pepper soup. And some of you, if you're local like me, you know that we use it for herbs too. So herbs, herbal, whatever it is called, guys. So herbal product or herbal products. So we use it for agbo. Some of the people that have really mixed with Yorubas, those who live in Lagos mostly, you will know what agbo is. And it's a lot of people in Ibadan, you know, even though they're not Yorubas, you know, they live in any part of, you know, the country, you'll know what agbo is. So agbo product, we use it, and it's basically, it's good for, you know, stomach, whatever stomach issue you might have, they use it. So I know they use it for agbojedi. So there's something called agbojedi. You might not know. So if you're here, you don't know. So it is dysentery. So it's herbal product for dysentery. If you have some tummy aches, you've too much sugar, and you need to detox, you know, for detoxification, kind of, you need to detox, you need to clean your system. They put this thing in with some other herbal produce, and you know, soak it with water and use that, and you drink it. Might be nasty, you know, a little bit nasty taste, but it works well in your body. And these as well, this is cloves. A lot of people, I mean, everybody should know cloves. Either Nigerian, African, anywhere you are in the world, you should be able to know what clove is, you know. A lot of us use cloves. It's in Walmart, it's in any store, any grocery store, you're gonna find cloves. So here, that's cloves. So I'm just gonna put 3 because, you know, cloves has this very strong smell. The last thing that's going into it is, they call it guinea corn leaf. Guinea corn leaf. Well, in Yoruba they call it borokoro baba. I think there is a guinea corn, you know. So there's a produce called guinea corn, and then this is the guinea corn leaves. That guinea corn, a lot of times we use it to make pap. A lot of times they give it to chicken, like, you know, for chicken feeds. If you're local, you know what I'm talking about. We use corn for pap, but also we use guinea corn for pap too. And mostly, you know that guinea corn, they prefer to use it to make pap for kiddos, for babies, like, you know. See, story for another day, right? Don't let me go into that too much. But this is the guinea corn leaves, right? And in Ghana, they call it wache leaves. So wache leaves, they use it for wache. That's a kind of meal. It's rice and beans, and then they use this in the, you know, mixture, so it makes it red somehow. Also useful in herbal products. So they use it for, they say that it gives blood. I don't know how true that is, but yeah, they believe that, you know, it supply or enriches your, you know, blood. So here, hemoglobin, if you have low hemoglobin level, they tell you to, like, you know, use this or cook it and drink it with malt or whatever thing. It helps boost your blood level and all of that. Now I'm gonna just put it in here because, you know, even though Zobo is a refreshment drink, you know, we still want to make it, you know, useful for the body, because even though Zobo leaf itself has its own medicinal purpose. So now using it with other produce like cucumber, we all know that cucumber is good for your body, for hydration and all other stuff, all the goodies that's attached to cucumber. And then one thing that I didn't put into this Zobo drink right now is ginger. I did not put ginger in it because I ran out of it and I didn't realize that I didn't have ginger. So yes, always put at least single ginger into it, a single ginger root into your Zobo drink. And see, some eating up already, you can see it. So you're gonna let it stay on the heat for about, you know, say 10-15 minutes. Let it boil, and then once it's done boiling, you you know, cover it up so that all of these things can still go in. Right, there was one thing I didn't put into it. I'm about to do that right now. Oranges, do not forget to put your citric acid, and for me the citric acid is my orange juice, orange, not orange juice, but oranges. So I'm gonna put 2 pieces of oranges in there, and that is gonna act as my citric acid. So you leave it to boil, let it boil all through, like really boil. And then when it's done, you can turn off the heat and let it cool down. Let it simmer. When you turn off the heat, it's gonna simmer into the liquid. Let every good stuff from those fruits and the spices get into the liquid. So when all of that is done, you let it cool, and then you can sieve it out. So when you sieve out and you're comfortable with, you know, all the particles being out of the water, or the liquid, now your Zobo drink, you can put a little amount of sugar, because you already have pineapple and oranges in there, so you don't need a lot of sugar to go into it again. Trust me, only a little bit of sugar and you'll be okay. All right, we don't need too much sugar, okay, in our body system. We don't. All right, once that's done, you can put it in the fridge or drink as you want it, okay? So it's all yours. Okay guys, so that will be the end of this tutorial or teaching or cooking lesson or a lecture. That will be the end of it today. I am so glad again to be back on your screen, and I hope that you enjoy this video. You have your Zobo drink, especially during summer period. You're just gonna enjoy this drink. You're gonna love it. You can take Zobo drink anytime. Leave your thoughts in the comment section as usual. Please let me know how you feel about this Zobo drink. Let me know what your thoughts are and how you feel about Zobo. Do you like it? Did you not like it? Is this your first time of seeing Zobo, or is this the first time that you're gonna try out cooking your own Zobo? Have you been buying Zobo? Now you can make yours. Okay, all right, I'm gonna leave you here now. And until next time, I love you guys so much. Bye bye.